Welcome back to WeatherFollower, Disasters Rewound. In the world of meteorology, boundaries are constantly tested, but in early 2023, one storm shattered them entirely. It didn't just break records, it practically rewrote the rulebook for tropical cyclones. Over a mind-boggling 36-day lifespan, it crossed an entire ocean basin, struck the African continent multiple times, and generated the highest accumulated cyclone energy ever recorded on Earth. This was intense Tropical Cyclone Freddy. Freddy's marathon journey began on the 6th of February 2023, just off the coast of northern Australia. Steered by an unusual, powerful ridge of high pressure, the storm didn't curve southward into the empty ocean like most systems. Instead, it put its foot down and headed due west, embarking on a historic trek across the entire expanse of the Indian Ocean. Fueled by pristine, deep pockets of warm water, Freddy became a powerhouse. On its journey, it achieved Category 5 equivalent strength on the Saffir-Simpson scale, displaying a razor-sharp, symmetric eye surrounded by a ring of explosive convection. It completely bypassed Mauritius and Réunion, though it brushed them closely enough to cause severe storm surges and destructive coastal winds. After traveling an incredible 9,000 kilometers across the open sea, Freddy made its first catastrophic landfall on the eastern coast of Madagascar on the 21st of February, hitting near Mananjari with sustained winds of 150 kilometers per hour. It tore roofs off homes, uprooted trees, and flattened agricultural fields, but Freddy was far from finished. The system crossed the island, emerged into the hot, humid environment of the Mozambique Channel, and immediately refired. On the 24th of February, the storm slammed into Vilanculos, Mozambique, bringing severe flooding to a region still recovering from previous seasons. Most storms would dissipate over the rough terrain of the African interior, but Freddy defied nature. It stalled over land, performed a slow, chaotic U-turn, and drifted back out into the Mozambique Channel. Tapping into the warm waters a second time, Freddy underwent a rare third round of rapid intensification. On the 11th of March, it made a historic second landfall in Mozambique near Quelimane as a severe tropical cyclone. Because the storm moved at an agonizingly slow pace, it acted like an open tap, dumping up to a year's worth of rainfall in just a few days. The water had nowhere to go. The system pushed inland toward Malawi, where the torrential downpours struck the mountainous southern region, including the commercial hub of Blantyre. Saturated hillsides completely collapsed in the dead of night. Massive mudslides carrying boulders, mud, and debris swept down the slopes, swallowing entire villages and destroying critical infrastructure. In total, Cyclone Freddy left an unparalleled path of devastation. It claimed the lives of over 1,434 people, with hundreds missing and never recovered, and displaced over 500,000 across Malawi, Mozambique, and Madagascar. With damages exceeding $655 million and an agricultural wipeout that triggered a long-term food crisis, Freddy proved that longevity can be just as lethal as raw wind speed. It remains the most resilient, enduring, and historic cyclone ever tracked. This has been another episode of WeatherFollower, Disasters Rewound. Thank you for watching. If you want to explore more stories of powerful weather and the crucial lessons they've taught us, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.